On the way for tens of millions of parents struggling in this pandemic.
The first enhanced child tax credit payments hit bank accounts this Thursday, and there's a lot to break down.
Eric Feldman has what you need to know.
The child tax credit is not new. Last year, the maximum a family could receive per child was $2,000 for the year. Now, that number is nearly double for all kids. But what you get depends on how much you made according to your 2019 and 2020 tax returns.
Paying the rent bill or a mortgage bill, I think it can be as significant.
For most families, you don't have to do anything to get this money. It will be sent each month. So let's say you're eligible for $3,600. You'll get half in monthly checks, so $300 a month until the end of the year. And then you get the rest when you file your 2021 taxes. You can also opt out, meaning no monthly payments, just a lump sum when you file your 2021 taxes. Whether you should opt out depends.
So for many people, this is going to be an important supplement that they can use now. For others who may not feel a need, I'm used to claiming it every year on my tax return. I'll just continue to do the same.
But tax professionals News 12 has consulted with have a warning. If your income dramatically dropped last year during the pandemic and then went back up this year, you may want to opt out, because if your income is too high for the child tax credit, that will be reflected in your 2021 taxes. And when you file, you could owe the government thousands of dollars.
Well, 18-year-olds are not eligible, and that amount changes when you have a 5-year-old versus a 6-year-old. So, Eric, what happens with the kid who has a birthday between now and the end of the year?
Well, Gianna, according to one financial advisor, the IRS bases a child's age on how old they turn at the end of the year. That means if your child turns 6 in 2021, the maximum you can get is $3,000 as opposed to $3,600. We also have a link to that opt-out of monthly payments we were talking about on our Facebook page, along with answers to some other big questions, like who gets the child tax credit when the parents are divorced. All that on this story online.